Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your timer knob. The reason why I might have to do this is because it's lost or broken. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So this is our timer knob. And to get it off, all we have to do is make sure that it's pushed in all the way. So if it's pulled out, this isn't going to work. So you push it in and unscrew it, just like that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement timer knob. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And to put it back on, all you have to do is screw it back on, just like that. And we're all set. Now your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.